Today we talk about how can you select who can replay to you on your Tumblr app. What you have to do in the first. So you just go down, click on this sign down here. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on account settings. Until you will find this list here, you just click here on replace. You come to replace here, just click on it, and here in this list you select who can replay to you in this list here. If you want to add everyone or champions you follow, or only champions you follow can replay, or here can you in the champions following can or replay to you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.